So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to draw a carrot with me? Whoa, I love carrots. Not only because they're the color orange, yeah, because they're a very healthy vegetable. Okay, to draw a carrot, I'm gonna start with the color orange. We're gonna draw a very tall triangle, but then we need to make it wider up top, okay? So let's go like this. Woo, kind of looks like a triangle, right? Whoa, and way down there. Whoa, yeah, that looks like a carrot. Very healthy and very yummy. And then what we should do is grab the color green, because at the very top, yeah, there's a lot of leaves. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoa, yeah! You typically don't eat these leaves up here. Yeah, what they do is that's how you pull them from the soil, the ground. All this orange is down below. Yeah, down below the soil, just like that. But then you pull it up and then you get to enjoy. But before we go, let's draw a smiley face. Let's make it a happy carrot. Whoa, and then you can add some texture. Oh, if you enjoy drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning